There's this saying that's going around, and it goes like this: if you want a girl to like you, ignore her. It's strange, but there's some truth to it. The more you distance yourself from a woman, the more alluring you become. But here's the catch: there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. I mean, I've ghosted many women, and most end up chasing me. It's true. Here's the thing though. I pushed things too far with a few women, and they slipped away from me, especially the ones I really liked. It's strange how the psychology of ignoring a woman works. I mean, if you mess up, you'll just push her away. In my case, it was just one silly mistake that screwed it all up for me. Want to know what mistake I made? Well, keep watching, because you may be making the same mistake. If you're not getting the results you want, I think I know why, and I'm going to share it with you. But before that, let's try to understand why ignoring a woman works. To do that, we need to understand the female mind. In my opinion, the best theory about how the female mind works belongs to Derek Rake. Now, here's the thing. I'm not here to shill Derek or Shogun Method, but I've learned more from him than from anyone else. And the most profound thing that Derek had taught me is that seduction happens in a sequence. There are strict steps that a woman follows when she falls in love. I mean, nobody else talks about this, and that's why Shogun Method works so well. In fact, the biggest reason why most guys fail with women is that they make this one mistake. They violate the sequence. The entire Shogun Method strategy revolves around a 4-step sequence. These are the 4 steps that every woman follows as she falls in love with a guy. The 4 steps are: 1. When a woman is intrigued by the man. This is the intrigue, or I stage. 2. When she builds rapport with him. This is the rapport, or R stage. 3. When she develops feelings for him. This is the attract, or A stage. The 4th and final stage is when she is emotionally addicted to him. This is the emotional addiction, or E stage. Before I continue, let me clarify. Some older shoguns call the E stage the emotional enslavement stage. Some find this objectionable, while others think it's an accurate term. After all, it was the original name coined by Derek Rake. I have no opinion about this, because to me, it's the same thing. Shoguns call these 4 steps the IRA model. When a woman falls in love with a man, she must follow these 4 steps in sequence. There are no exceptions to this rule. The problem is, most guys shoot themselves in the foot by disobeying the sequence. For example, they try to attract a woman without first building rapport, or worse, they attempt an emotional addiction tactic right off the bat upon meeting her. I mean, that's just crazy. You might be thinking, I get it, Fredo, but how does this relate to the psychology of ignoring a woman? Well, here's the answer. Ignoring a woman is an attract, or A stage technique. It won't work if you have not built any intrigue or rapport with her, because remember, in the IRA model, intrigue and rapport come before attract. Remember when I told you how I failed with a couple of women whom I tried to ignore? The problem was that I didn't intrigue them enough anyway, and so when I ignored them, they simply ignored me back. I mean, it all makes sense now, doesn't it? So, to summarize, ghosting or ignoring a woman can work, but only if done in the right way. The success of this strategy depends on following the 4-step IRA model. Ignoring a woman is an attract or A stage tactic, and it only works if you have enough intrigue and rapport with her. Most guys fail with this technique because they violate the IRA sequence. They skip the crucial intrigue and rapport stages, and that's why they fail. So here's the bottom line. If you want to ghost or ignore a woman to seduce her, first, be sure of one thing. You must already have some baseline intrigue and rapport with her. Because if she's not somewhat intrigued with you, guess what? She won't even notice you're ignoring her. And that's just sad, right? So, instead of ghosting her right off the bat, you must intrigue her first, and then build some rapport with her. Think of the ghosting move as the 3rd step of your strategy. The first 2 steps are creating intrigue and building rapport. You must obey the IRA sequence. Got that? Good. Now if you're thinking, so how do I build intrigue and rapport with a woman? Then you're on the right track. And the answer lies in Shogun Method. Inside the program, there are more intrigue and rapport tactics than you can shake a stick at. We're almost done with this video, but don't worry. To learn more, sign up for the Shogun Method Online Masterclass. There, you'll discover tactics you won't find anywhere else. Remember, it's all about IRA, intrigue, rapport, attract, and enslave. And you can only learn this in Shogun Method. To build intrigue and rapport, you need to learn the strategies, and there are plenty in the program. So, in a moment, a link will appear in the video. Click it, and you'll see the sign-up page. Just enter your email address and wait for the invitation email. It's that simple. If you don't see the link, Go straight to fractionationhypnosis.com and see it's still online. Do it now.